Hey folks, welcome back to the Messy Shop. It's been a long time since I've posted a video besides a few short little update videos. So I figured I'd start getting a little more content on this channel now that I'm doing more stuff out here. Same thing on my LaFond RC channel, trying to get into a little more RC stuff. But you can probably see what I'm working on in the background, what I'm always seem to be working on. Let me show you here. It's my crusty 74 Beetle. Now it's summertime again here, well close enough to summertime. Let's get some light on in here. And I didn't really work on it much all winter, so not much got done, but lately I've been giving her a little push, trying to get the basic metal work done. Now I've been working on not being quite so picky about some of the metal work, especially where seam sealer is going to cover it up, and just making sure that the metal is solid underneath, especially on the interior. Some of these seams, but I actually came up with a new process. Well, I didn't come up with it, but I don't know why I didn't think of it. In these places that are hard to get to, what I do is I kind of weld it with my MIG welder, and I'll go back and fix it up with the TIG welder. It uses a lot of gas, but saves a lot of grinding trying to get into those spots. You can see under there's some, like I say, a lot, but anywhere that it's going to be covered up with carpet and seam sealer, I've decided to heck with it. I just want to get this solid and done. Did some work around the frame as well. This has all been cut out and replaced. There's a section in here that was all cut out and replaced, was rusted through. Where else? Oh yeah, this piece here was cut out and replaced. I'm sure I'll find some more stuff. Oh, another place that I did was down in here. Now this all gets, you can kind of see right there, factory seam sealer in the channel, so it's a little bit of how you do and welding in here, but this is all, where was it? Oh, this was rusted through, so I cut out and replaced it. So I'm sure there'll be more little bits to do like that, possibly back here. But in any case, I started trying to start removing some paint. I did some work on the top because I saw some rust and I wanted to see what was going on there. But it's all good metal underneath, so I don't know if you can see how thick that is. It's a few coats of paint, but there's an extra thick coat of, I don't know what it is, from the factory. And I also, with help, stripped all the wiring and stuff out so I can get at stuff. So my goal today is to bring the chassis back in, get this body up, and get it back on and bolt it to the chassis so I'm not standing up so high working on things. So figured I'd bring you along while I do that job. It's a little bit how you do it, and a little bit sketchy, but done it a few times and I haven't crushed myself. So watch and enjoy. Alright, so every other time I've done this, I've had the car the other way around, so I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to do it this way around. So just I'm going to do, I guess, I don't know if you'd call it time-lapse, fast-forward video, or what have you, but I'll video the whole process, and hopefully you'll find it interesting. You know what? I'm going to turn the car around. It's just way simpler because I've done it several times. So then I'll just have to take the car back out and turn it around and it'll work the way I want to. Now I know this is a using ratchet straps is not the best solution, but I've got away with it quite a few times. And these bodies, they're really not that heavy. You saw how I was able to move it in and out by myself. So I wish I had a better option, but this has been working for me so far. As well, taking it off is actually easier than putting it back on. Letting the ratchet straps down can be a little bit of a sketchy ordeal, but wish I had a shop with a car lift and everything, but you make do with what you got. Yes, I'll be putting a second ratchet strap on here. You can't just let it down. Yeah, that way I can let it down in stages instead of having it just come down full blast. These aren't the wimpiest ratchet straps either, so I better get another one on this side right now. Now there's a bit of a flaw in my plan. This place I hooked up to, it's going to actually hit the body mounts. So I wasn't thinking straight there, but I'll be able to get that sorted out, no problem. Now, here's the tricky part. Voila, pretty much done. Now I just got to get these things out of the way so that I can actually drop the body down on the mounts where it's supposed to be. But you get the picture, so there you go. A little bit sketchy, but turned out okay again. So I'm going to get this bolted down, and then I'm going to continue on the metal work. And then once that's done, I can start doing a bunch of sanding and body filler and all that good stuff. So I'll keep you posted on my progress. Till then, take care and talk to you later.